Hi guys! Happy New Year! It's me, Goofy Ruby. I'll be making creamy potatoes.
First, we need to wash our potatoes. Wow, beautiful potatoes. Now let's add in some water. And of course, some salt. Cook until potatoes are tender.
Okay guys, for this recipe, of course, kailangan natin ng potatoes. And then you also need grated carrots, slices of mushrooms, Parmesan cheese, cream, very much creamy, and a spoon of flour, and garlic, and of course, wag kalimutan ng salt and pepper to taste. Since gagawa ko ng creamy baby potatoes, papartneran ko yan ng fried chicken. So, magpa-fry ako ng chicken thighs. Naubos ang boses ko. So, I'll be frying chicken thighs.
Now let's check kung luto na ba para lang nagbe-bake. Kasi toothpick ang gamit.
Hi, Miko! Hi, Mommy! Hi, sa aking cutie na malditang miming Mommy! Miko! Okay, guys, our potatoes are already cooked. Ooh, cooked. So what I'm going to do with the potatoes, guys, is I'll just slice each in half.
Now I'll add some butter in a pan. Yan. Then our garlic. Next, our flour. Earlier, I forgot to tell you guys that we also need a half cup of water. Sorry, I'm being forgetful. And then, I also add some chicken bouillon. Yan, para mas tasty ang ating creamy potatoes. Now, let's add our mushrooms. Then, simmer lang natin, guys, for maybe a minute or two. Yan na. And then, let's add our grated carrots. Ang ingay ng aking fried chicken sa tabi. Still frying some chicken. Now, our baby potatoes. Or potatoes. And then, let's just mix the ingredients well. And then, add our cream. I love this. Now let's stir until everything is combined and heated through. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. You can always change it according to your desired taste. And then some pepper. Smells really good. And then our Parmesan cheese.
Okay, dito na. It's my creamy potatoes. With mushrooms. Really good. So good. Okay guys, thanks for watching.